Most people fear debt, but do you know the rich actually use debt as a tool to build even more wealth? The difference lies in how they use it. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wealth with Sud. Today in this video, I'll explain exactly how the rich use debt to get richer, and how you can apply the same mindset. Bad debt is borrowing for things that lose value, like credit cards, car loans, or unnecessary shopping. Good debt is borrowing to invest in things that increase in value, like businesses, real estate, or education. The rich avoid bad debt, but strategically use good debt. Imagine buying a property worth Rs 50 lakhs. Instead of paying the full amount, the rich might put 10 lakhs as down payment and take a loan for the rest. If the property value grows to Rs 70 lakhs in a few years, their return isn't on Rs 50 lakhs, but on just Rs 10 lakhs invested. That's the power of leveraging debt. The rich borrow money to expand businesses, invest in assets, or create cash flow. The income generated is often more than the cost of debt. In simple words, they make the debt work for them. In many cases, debt also comes with tax advantages. For example, interest paid on business loans or home loans can be deducted, which further reduces costs for the wealthy. So the secret is this: the rich don't fear debt, they master it. They use it as leverage to create assets, generate income, and multiply wealth. The lesson for us is clear: stop using debt to buy liabilities and start thinking of how debt can help you invest and grow. Would you like me to make a video explaining good debt versus bad debt in detail? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this.